Hello everybody, and here we go for the second list of words. So those words, I learned them this morning in my German class, and now sharing with you in French. So French level AI.2. Renseignement, let's start with that. Renseignement. You ask for some information, or the administration can ask for you for information. They ask, il vous demande, demandez des renseignements. Demandez des renseignements, renseignements. And then if you want to rent a flat or a house, vous voulez, vous voulez un appartement à louer. Vous voulez une maison à louer. Une maison est à louer. A house is to be rented. Donc, à louer. And then, what about the salary? So you are looking for a job and you want to negotiate during the interview your salary. And so in French you say salaire. And you want to negotiate a salary. Tu négocies un salaire. Négocier un salaire. And then also if you want to describe something that is available everywhere, for instance, you can use the word partout. You can find water everywhere. On peut trouver de l'eau partout. En France, on trouve des églises partout. En France, on trouve des arbres partout. En France, on trouve des gens partout. Donc, partout. And there's also that really tricky thing in German is to read the hours. And I was thinking that something that is specific to French, for instance, if you want to say 12:30. In French, you can read it like literally and say 12:30. But if you really want to say it the proper way, instead of 12:30, which would be 12h30, you can say midi 30. So midi in French is noon, midi 30. And then, this word, I was thinking about it, not really because I learned it during the classes this morning, but just because this is something that I would have liked to know about, because a student said something that was not cool, and he was expressing his opinion, and nobody cared about his opinion, actually. So I was thinking, oh, that would have been so nice to just tell him to shut up. But obviously the proper way, just keep your opinion to yourself. We don't care about what you are thinking. And I was thinking the simple way to say that in German would be to use the word opinion. And in French, opinion is just opinion. So if you want to say the simplest way in French, keep your opinion to yourself, or we don't care what you think, you could probably say ton opinion ne m'intéresse pas. Your opinion doesn't interest me. So this is the literal translation in English. So yeah, I don't care what you think. Ton opinion ne m'intéresse pas. So next time, if tomorrow he's just bothering everybody saying nasty thing, I will just say that to him. Okay, so let's talk to you tomorrow. Obviously, there's much more words that I've learned today, but I think limited ourselves to 5 is already really good. So yeah, talk to you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Tschüss!